Look around this room. What do you see? You see books, orange juice, helium gas balloons, and a lot more. All these objects are made of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. How can we measure mass? We use a balance to measure mass. To find the mass of an object, place it in one of the balance pans. Then place objects whose masses are known in the other pan until both the pans are balanced. The mass of the object is equal to the total mass placed in the other pan to balance it. Grams and kilograms are some of the units we use to measure mass. Objects that contain less amount of matter have less mass, and objects that contain more amount of matter have more mass. The amount of space an object takes up is called its volume. How can we measure volume? We can measure the volume of an object shaped like this Rubik's Cube or this block by counting the number of certain size cubes that fit into it. One of the units used to measure volume is cubic centimeter. How can we measure the volume of this rock? We can measure the volume of this rock in units called milliliters using a graduated cylinder. Tie the rock to one end of a thin, strong string and then lower it gently into the cylinder that contains water. The rock takes up space inside the water by pushing away or displacing an equal volume of water. This causes the level of water to rise. The difference in the levels is the volume of the rock. How can we describe different kinds of matter? We can describe matter using its physical properties such as mass, volume, shape, and color. Let's review what we learned today. All objects around us are made of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Volume is the amount of space an object takes up. Mass, volume, color, and shape are some of the physical properties that we can use to describe matter.